Hi, I'm Laz from Native Instruments. In our previous video, we showed you how to use a MIDI keyboard and external sequencer to play as well as sequence instruments loaded in MASCHINE+. In this video, we'll show you how to control external hardware via MIDI with your MASCHINE+. This will allow you to MIDI sequence your external hardware and process its audio through the MASCHINE+. Let's get started. First, let's connect a device to the MASCHINE+. For this, I'm going to use a desktop synthesizer, such as the Blofeld by Waldorf. Connect the MIDI input of your device to the MIDI output of the MASCHINE+. Since I want to process the Blofeld through the MASCHINE+ and apply effects to it, I'm also connecting its outputs to the line-in on the back of the MASCHINE+. Now, on the MASCHINE+, press the Settings button and navigate to the MIDI tab. On the right screen, you should see an option named Output Devices. Turn to choose the MASCHINE+ MIDI port, and with knob 8, set the status to On. This will enable outgoing MIDI messages going from the MASCHINE+ to any device connected to its MIDI output port. Also, with knob 1, you can activate the Send Clock option. This will be useful to synchronize the two devices together for time-based effects, or if the device has its own sequencer. Let's now create a group that will sequence and process my external device. Pressing the Group B button will create a new group. Then press the Browser Plugins button to show the Master Group Sound screens. And press button 3 on top of the first screen to select Sound. Tap Pad 1 to select Sound 1. Then press the Channel MIDI button and navigate to the Input page. Route the audio of your hardware device by turning knob 1 and selecting the appropriate inputs in which the device is plugged in. In this case, it's input 1 left plus right, in the case of the Blofeld, which is connected via the line inputs of the MASCHINE+. Then, navigate to the Output tab with the 4D knob. And navigate to the MIDI tab using the right arrow button. Change the MIDI destination to the MASCHINE+ port using knob 1. Change the MIDI channel to the corresponding channel your hardware is set to with knob 2. In my case, it'll be channel 1, which is the MIDI channel of the Blofeld. Now, press the keyboard or chord button and press a pad. You should now hear some sound, which means that I am now able to sequence my external device. As well as add effects to it. You are now able to record sequences and process your external hardware via the MASCHINE+. That's it from me. I hope this video was informative. Stay tuned for more.